Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we help you customize your device to match your unique style. Today, I am going to show you how to download fonts for Android phones so you can give your interface a fresh and personalized look. So now let's get started. In method 1, step 1 is to open the settings icon on your phone to access the main system configuration menu. For step 2, you will need to scroll down through the list of options and tap on display. In step 3, tap on font size and style, and then choose font style to see the list of available text designs currently on your device. Step 4 is important if you do not find those specific options, as you should then look for and open your phone's built-in theme app. For step 5, navigate to the discovery or category section within that theme app and select the font option. In step 6, choose any font that catches your eye and click apply to begin the process of preparing it for your system. Finally, for step 7, go back to your main settings and select your newly installed font from the style list to make it active. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips and tricks.